Ever felt the rush of go-kart racing, only to be left wondering why you're not leading the pack? Is it your cornering technique, overtaking strategy, or something as fundamental as knowing your kart? Don't let these challenges overshadow your love for racing. With determination and the right guidance, you can transform from an also-ran to leading the pack. Welcome to our journey. We're about to reveal 30 essential go-kart racing tips to help you ace the track. From mastering cornering techniques to effective overtaking strategies, and even the basics of kart maintenance, we're covering it all. Ready to fuel your passion and speed your way to victory? Let's dive in. First, get familiar with the racetrack. Every racecourse has its unique challenges and curves. The more you know about the track, the better you can anticipate turns and develop your driving strategy. Watch how the pros handle their karts. What routes do they take? How do they navigate sharp corners? By observing fast drivers, you pick up on their techniques and adapt them to your style. Your comfort is crucial in go-karting. Ensure your seat and pedals are adjusted to your comfort. If you're uncomfortable, you might lose focus, affecting your overall performance on the track. In go-kart racing, the ability to take corners smoothly can be a game changer. Perfect the art of apexing. Don't lean into a turn. It can actually slow you down. Maintain a central posture to balance the kart's weight distribution. Smoothness equals speed in go-kart racing. Avoid sudden movements that can cause instability. Use your body weight to your advantage during corners. Lean forward during straightaways and backward during uphills to increase momentum. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to turns. A well-timed turn minimizes the need for heavy braking or excessive acceleration. Early acceleration can give you the momentum needed to exit the corner faster. Start accelerating slightly just before the apex. Overtaking in go-kart racing is an art that requires more than just speed. It needs patience, timing, and strategy. Sometimes, allowing a faster racer to pass can be a strategic move. It allows you to focus on your own race and learn by observing their technique. To become a master of overtaking, you need to be a keen observer. Pay attention to the racer ahead's style, patterns, strengths, and weaknesses. Predict your opponent's moves. Are they aggressive or cautious? Do they prefer the inside or the outside line? Maintaining momentum is vital in go-kart racing. Even when you make a mistake, recover quickly and keep moving. Mastering the art of braking can give you an edge over your opponents, especially in heavy braking zones. To maximize control while braking, aim to complete most of your braking while your kart is still traveling in a straight line. Look ahead on the track. By focusing far down the track, you can prepare for upcoming turns and identify potential overtaking spots. Steering a go-kart isn't about jerking the wheel. It's about smooth, controlled movements. Practice is crucial. In go-kart racing, the driver's weight can significantly influence the kart's performance. Shift your body weight strategically. Although drifting may look flashy, it isn't typically the fastest way around a corner. Aim for smooth lines and keep your kart's movement as linear as possible. The ability to brake effectively is a crucial skill in go-kart racing. Different braking techniques can be more effective depending on the circumstances. Managing the throttle isn't just about going full speed on straights and letting off during corners. Consistent and controlled throttle usage can significantly impact your kart's balance and speed. Regular maintenance of your go-kart is paramount to ensuring its longevity and optimal performance. A well-maintained kart not only drives better, but also reduces the risk of mid-race breakdowns.